DJ Cristal, back in the lab. Beatscoutz, back with another episode. Let's go.
5.
First up, 1sbeats.com. Beat called Hotel. Freestyle type beat. Let's go. Yup. If you're new to this is Beatscoutz.com. You find and promote fire beats like this one. If you want to be on the next Fire Beats countdown, link in the description. Let's go.
1sbeats.com.
Yup. We starting off right. Top 5 Fire Beats countdown. Yup.
Four.
You know this
Priority
part.
Beats. Beat called Pressure. SZA, Sabrina Carpenter type beat. Beyonce type beat. Yup.
You know this priority.
Feeling the snaps. Number 4 in the countdown. Let's go. Bassline's mean. If you sing, this is one for you. As a matter of fact, put something on it and send it back. If it's fire, we'll play it on the channel. Let's go.
Three.
Next up, IDK. Rap R&B type beat called Control. Roy Woods. Beat as a free download too.
Blue.
It's that R&B vibe for you. Yep. This is Beatscoutz. Beatscoutz.com. Scouts with a Z. If you got a fire beat, send it. Let me hear it. Yep. If you feel this beat, go to beatstars.com. Next up, Swisher Beats, Kanye West, Tyler the Creator type beat. Crazy gospel sample. Something Rick Ross and spit on. Hove. Yeah, Biz Bananas. Okay. Yep. Only for those with bars. Before we get to number 1, just want to let you know how to get on the next top 5 Fire Beats countdown. Just go to the link in the description. Fill it out, click on it. If it's fire, it'll make the countdown. If it's not, I'll tell you how to make the countdown. We want to highlight and promote all fire beats. Everybody's got one. All right? Let's get to number 1.
One.
Caddy, Jack Harlow trap type beat.
Brand new caddy.
Yeah. Crazy deal. Buy one, get 9 free. Whoa. Number 1 on the countdown. Caddy. Let's go. If you feel this beat, go to Beatscoutz.com or click on the link in the description. Put some fire on it and send it back. Okay, Caddy. Caddy got a lot of joints in the catalog too. I'm sure you'll find something.